Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is something you might not have thought of with the parallel dimension tool. If you're going to send a customer dimensions of something you're drawing, and I just made this just to give an example. I'll tell you what, I need to go straight up with that. And you're going to give them all these dimensions, and then you want to, save it, but then later on when you want to, you don't want the dimensions there. So we got all the dimensions. If you will go to Windows, Dockers, and either in your versions, you're going to say Object or Object Manager. And here's that curve. And if you have trouble when you click on the first dimension, you actually got to go to Object and break the dimension apart. Now, this is the curve, but we're going to select the first dimension. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and get the last one. I'm going to Control G to group it. Now, this is a file that I want to keep, but when I don't want the dimensions, I can just go and use the hide eyeball, and now you have your file. And, I think you could actually move it around anywhere in the page. Nope, you can't. So that's beside the point. But that's pretty cool. I've often wondered, because let's say this is a hairline and I want to go cut it out and they okay it. Well, I maybe want to keep that file, but I don't want to see it. And then I can go cut that file out. And there's probably a lot more reasons to be able to do that. Then later on you go, well, let's see what the dimensions were. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.